Well, hello there. It's Dipon from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're diving into Pixso, the online design platform that integrates UX design, whiteboards, and AI to improve collaboration with your product team. Pixso, a one-stop platform for product design in the new era. From demand analysis to product release, Pixso satisfies all the needs during the process. Pixso Whiteboard, while integrated with 22 tools. Pixso is an ideal tool for competitive analysis, UX research, brainstorming, and ideation. All creative ideas can be organized in an infinite canvas. Pixso Prototype, with diverse built-in components and logic expression tools, your prototype can be completed rapidly without any hassle. Pixso Design, vector networks for solid image. Auto layout for responsive design, global style for convenient modification, component variants for one-click switching, an enterprise resource library for obligatory design standard. Produces high-fidelity prototype to connect UI and UX designs, offers cloud-based storage for real-time collaboration, convenient one-click sharing, auto-generated code, resource community, bundles of design resources, practical plugins can be found. So one-stop tool connects every team members, streamlines product design workflow, and reshapes digital design experience. Scale your workflow with Pixso. There are layer, component, and resource panels on the left panel in Pixel Editor. The layer panel is divided into a page list and a layer list. Click the plus icon to add a new page. Click the folder icon to add a new folder. Click the fold icon to fold the page list. Each type of layer listed below is shown in different icons. Directly drag and drop the layers using your mouse to change the layer order. Hover over a layer and click on the lock or eye icon to lock or hide it. Click again to cancel the operation. In the component panel, all components of the current file are listed and can be reused by dragging them out. You can find the component by typing its name in the search field. You can switch to list or grid viewing mode by clicking the icon beside the search field. Click Libraries to open the Team Resource Library and the Update interface. In the Team Resource Library, you can publish the changes of the current file, view the missing resource library, and view the components of the added Team Resource Library. You can view the updated resources in the Update tab. Click Update below to update the component resources of the current file. Now get back to the editor. In the resource panel, you will see your favorite Pixso community resources. Enter a keyword in the search field to find the related resource. Click Manage Resource Library to edit your favorite libraries, created libraries, or the featured resource libraries. To My Collection, move your mouse over the resource panel, and you can choose whether to display the library on the resource panel by clicking the pin icon in the upper right corner. Pixso makes it easy to design custom brushes, and you can even create full-blown presentations on a whiteboard. That's freaking cool, man. Using Pixso's all-in-one platform, you'll be able to design and collaborate with your product team totally stress-free. Just click buy now to grab this limited time deal before it's gone for good.